Welcome to our coding tutorial. Let's start by importing Renderer 2 from Angular's core package. Renderer 2 is an abstraction provided by Angular to manipulate elements of your app in a way that's also compatible with server-side rendering. Typically, you inject Renderer 2 into your components constructor like this, but for now we'll leave it commented as we're focusing on the remove element function. We define the function remove element, which will be responsible for removing a child element from a parent element in the DOM. This function takes three parameters: renderer, parent, and child. Inside the function, we first check if the parent, child, and child's parent node reference are all defined and correct. This ensures that we remove the right element and also prevents potential errors in our DOM manipulation. If the checks pass, we call the remove child method on the renderer, passing in the parent and child. This effectively removes the child element from the parent in the DOM. And with the closing of this block and function, we have a secure and framework-approved way to remove elements from the DOM without directly interacting with native element methods, providing better security and abstraction. Remember to call this function with appropriate elements to see it in action.